Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve if 2 power x is equals to 6, then what is 4 power x? So we have 4 options, either it's 6, 1, 12 or 36. So let's do the solution and check our answer. So we have to find the value of 4 power x. So I can write 4 power x 2 square power x, or I can write it as 2 power x square, because a power b power c, we can write it as a power c power b. Now we have the value of 2 power x, that is 6. So in place of 2 power x I can write 6. So 6 power 2, that is 6 times 6, 36. So our correct answer is 36. For the value of 4 power x is 36 if 2 power x is 6. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.